Down, lock. Pull down. Yeah. Let it drag, let him go. Pull up, keep stretching on him, and reel down. Yeah. Stomach. Keep it in your stomach. Don't put your thumb there. Make sure your thumb is not there. You don't want to. He's right here. He's right here, guys. Let's go. Keep tension on him. Keep tension on him. Keep tension. There you go. You know what he did. Bring him over here. Keep him on this side. There you go. He's right here, Grayson. He's right here. Come on, buddy. Come on, big dog. Damn.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. It's only been 4 minutes, man.
Don't give up. You don't want to give up this. You don't want to make sure your thumb's not blocking that. You're going to stop yourself from reeling.
Keep going.
Don't get tired. Oh, come on, Grayson.
You can do it, buddy.
Come on,
you can
big
do
dog. Come on, big dog. He's right there. Look, he's right there.
Pull it up, buddy.
Come on, Grayson. Keep tension on him. And then reel down. And then you come up.
Come up. There you go. Reel down.
He's right there. Come on, Grayson. Come on, buddy. My arm's getting tired holding this. Holding this.
Hold on, Haley. Okay, got it.
Pull up. Go down. There you go. He's right here. He's coming up. Keep him on this side. Keep him on this side.
Keep going, Grayson. Keep going. Don't stop. Get him up, buddy. Get him up. You can do it. Get him up. Don't let go of the rod.
Come on, Grayson. He's right here, Grayson. Lift up on the rod.
There you go. You got it.
Come on, release.
He's right there, Grayson.
Oh, release it.
Push this button. Push that button right there.
Hold it down.
There you go.
Keep lifting up.
All right, there you go. All right, that's good.
Yeah, great. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, that's a big fish.
Grayson, look at me.
Do you think that's a 10 pounder?
Yeah, it is. That's a 10 pounder.
Put it right here. Put the rod here. Yeah, I got it.
It's like a 5-minute fight. You tired, buddy? You tired?
Yeah.
That's a fat one too, man, actually.
That's what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right, Grayson. Yeah. First sheep head.
You think you want to hold him? Why not?
Tired, yeah.
Come on, buddy, you can do it.
I'm getting a cramp.
You getting a cramp?
Yeah.
You want me to take over?
Yeah, I've been getting cramps everything.
Okay, you getting cramps? Okay, yeah, let me get it.
Random cramps out of nowhere.
Oh, really? Okay, go on. I'm gonna let you net it, all right? Don't fall in the water. Please don't fall in the water. Your mom will kill me. Okay. Go underneath it. No, underneath it, like that. Scoop it up. Okay. Scoop it up. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Good job, buddy. And then pull up the net. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. No, 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 no. Not like that. Hold on. I'll show you how to pull it up. Okay, when you got a big fish on, never pull it up like this, okay? You just want to angle it down like this. Okay, like that. And then pull it straight up. Okay? Now pull it straight up. So you don't break the net. There you go. Come on, buddy, you can do it. It's only a small fish. You can do it. Good job. All right. Are you listening? Good job. What you gotta do? There you go. That's right. There you go. Pull straight up. You got it.
Pull up.
Pull up. Come on, buddy. Use a muscle.
Pull it up, buddy. Keep going.
Pull him up.
Move the thing.
You got it.
Move the crab.
Good job, Grayson. That was a fat one, too. Good job, buddy.
I want to.